Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Zoho Sprints and Backlogs, full guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Zoho Sprints, first, ensure you are logged into your Zoho account. Navigate to the Zoho Sprints application from your dashboard. In the top right corner, look for your profile icon and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, find the section labeled Sprints. Click on Identify the sprint you wish to delete. Next to the sprint, you will see an option for More. Click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Delete Sprint. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete this sprint. Read the information carefully, as deleting a sprint cannot be undone. If you are certain, click on the Delete button to confirm. Repeat these steps for any additional sprints you wish to uninstall. Next, to remove backlogs, return to the Settings menu. Find the section labeled Backlogs and click on it. You will see a list of your current backlogs. Identify the backlog you wish to delete. Click on the More option next to the backlog name. From the drop-down menu, select Delete Backlog. Once again, a confirmation dialog will appear. Review the details and confirm the deletion by clicking Delete. Continue this process for any other backlogs you want to remove. After completing these steps, both the sprints and backlogs will be successfully uninstalled from your Zoho Sprints account. Make sure to periodically review your settings to maintain a clutter-free workspace. This concludes the step-by-step guide on uninstalling sprints and backlogs in Zoho Sprints. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.